Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to take a picture on Macbook. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. In the most cases, when you open up an app on your Mac that requires the camera, the app will ask you permission to use the camera and open it automatically. This is true of most video conferencing software. Your Mac's camera is located at the top of your screen. When it is in use, you will see a small green light next to it. When you take a photo using your Mac, it will not be as high quality as a phone photo, as the webcam was designed for video calls and not for photography. So how if you want to take a picture on your MacBook, it's very simple. So you can just open the photo booth apps on your MacBook. You can see on the launchpad if you can't find it on your dock. So this one, photo booth, you can just click on that. So here you go. You can take a picture with this MacBook camera. If you want to take a picture, you can just click on it and the camera icon. Here's the result. So cool, right? And the camera is mirror. Now you can also, if you want to use an effect, you can choose in here. There's like space alien, nostril, chipmunk, love struck, normal, dizzy. It will work with when you show your face. There's so much effects that you can use in here. Or you can also here, choose in here if you want to create the collage photo. So let's try. And here's for the result, the collage photo. And if you want to take a video, you can just click on here, choose on the video icon, and it will start record a video. So like this. If you want to stop, you can just click on here. So here's all the result, like your photo, your video in here. So like this. It's so cool and very simple, right? So that is how to take a picture or take a photo on your MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!